How to fix Gcash face scan error. So first of all, Gcash application um, has only limited access on using face scan security. So again, it may not be available for all the phones, but if it's going to be available on your phone and you're receiving an error message, if it's not working or not accepting the face that you have registered to it, here's what you can do. Just go back to your home page on your phone. Now, the very first thing is, of course, go into your app store and make sure that the version of Gcash that you're using is actually updated to the latest version. From here, update will be visible if your Gcash needs an update. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Next thing to do is just go into your Gcash application icon, tap and hold, and go to the I logo. Then here, just head straight into storage. Just scroll down a bit and go to storage, clear data, and clear cache. Now, once you've done this, you will automatically be logged out on your current account that is registered into your Gcash. Just simply log it in, and then you can try to rescan your face security once again. So those are the most convenient troubleshooting that you can do for you to fix Gcash face scan error.